What are the biggest economic problems in the world?
Why do so many people care so much about their cars? Are you interested in economics?
I think everybody is interested in economics somehow.
Yeah.
It's a part of our life.
Yeah, I agree.
So Rinat, what's your favorite car?
I like my Kia Rio.
Oh, good
For
for
me,
you.
it's the best.
Oh, okay.
Really. Do you think economics is a science or not?
I think it's a science, but mostly a social one. It's not like math or physics.
Yeah.
It's similar to history, I think.
Yeah, I think so too. Which country produces the best cars? What do you think?
I think it's Germany and Japan. Chinese cars are also getting better and better nowadays.
Yeah, I agree. Chinese cars are getting more and more popular. That's
Yeah,
for sure.
it's true.
Do you worry about the world economy?
Yes, I do. I think that the whole world is in a big crisis now, and nobody knows how to handle it.
Yeah.
It makes me worried.
Okay.
Do you think world would be a better place without cars?
No, I don't think so. Cars are one of the most important inventions in the world.
Yeah, that's right. I can't imagine the world without cars.
Me too.
How important is economics?
Economics is the basis of everything. Economics plays a role in our everyday life.
Yeah,
It's an extremely important science.
yeah, I agree. Have you ever been in a car accident?
God, no. I hope I will never be in a car accident.
Yeah, I hope so too.
What are the biggest economic problems in the world?
Huge inflation, high rate of unemployment, high rate of poverty, increasing inequality, and other social problems. In Africa and other third world countries, for example, there are almost 1 billion people that don't get enough food and fresh water. That's terrible.
Yeah, it's terrible.
Do you need a car?
Yes, I do. Having a car means being independent in transportation. I live out of Moscow and using public transport is not that convenient here. So the car makes my transportation much easier.
Yeah.
I like
okay.
it. How's the economy of your country?
I wish it was better. Our economy is based on selling gas, oil, and food. We import most of our products from other countries. It's not good.
Yeah, our government prefers to buy things from abroad rather than produce them on ourselves.
Yeah, it's true.
Strange. Why do so many people care so much about their cars?
Cars represent their owners. People see power and freedom and adventure in their vehicles.
Yeah, that's right. I would say that men develop personal relationships with their cars because they perceive their car as an extension of themselves, actually.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Yeah, that's strange.
Interesting.
Strange.
And interesting too.